Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into the high-octane world of next-generation camera technology, where innovation and precision combine to redefine the tools of digital imaging. With 2025 poised to be a landmark year in the photography and videography industry, we're examining the most compelling leaks, rumors, and emerging breakthroughs that will shape the future of content creation. Whether you're a filmmaker pushing the boundaries of cinematic storytelling, a photojournalist capturing split-second moments, or a content creator looking to elevate your visual game, this in-depth report will guide you through the cameras that are set to lead the pack. First up, we have one of the most highly anticipated releases in the cinema camera world, the Sony FX2. Continuing Sony's legacy of offering high-performance tools tailored for professionals, the FX2 is rumored to borrow heavily from the A7IV's 33MP sensor. While this brings a notable increase in resolution over its predecessor, it also raises questions. The A7 IV sensor, as we know, delivers solid performance in 4K at 30 frames per second without compromise, but moving up to 60 frames per second means a 1.5x Super 35 crop, limiting those looking for full-frame slow motion. In a landscape where uncropped 4K 60 has become essential for professionals and indie filmmakers alike, this crop might be a deal-breaker. Still, the FX2 sets itself apart with impressive features like active cooling, 32-bit float audio recording for top-tier sound, AI-powered autofocus tracking, and a versatile tilt EVF. With its price expected to hover around $3,500, it's a significant investment, but one aimed at serious creators who prioritize robust build quality and pro audio features in a compact cinema body. Now let's talk about Nikon's flagship refresh, the Nikon Z9 Mark II. The original Z9 was already a technological beast, and the Mark II seems set to fine-tune that formula even further. While the sensor itself might not change dramatically, rumors point to an upgraded processing engine, an essential upgrade to enhance burst rates, computational photography tools, and overall performance. There's strong speculation that Nikon will boost internal video codec support, possibly adding ProRes RAW, H.265, and more, making this a real powerhouse for hybrid shooters. Another exciting rumor is the potential for 4K at 240 frames per second, albeit with some cropping or line skipping, and the inclusion of dual CF Express card slots. A high-resolution EVF and 5G wireless integration are expected too, offering real-time backups and GPS-based content tracking. Expect this beast to dominate action, sports, and wildlife photography, cementing Nikon's place at the high-performance end of the mirrorless spectrum, but Nikon isn't stopping there. The Nikon Z7 Mark III is also expected to debut with an eye-popping 67MP TowerJazz sensor. This leap in resolution makes it an ideal choice for landscape, portrait, and studio photographers who demand uncompromising detail. In addition to faster autofocus and 20 frames per second burst capabilities, the Z7 III will offer 8K 30 frames per second video and full-featured 4K 60 frames per second capture. For videographers, ProRes RAW support is expected, delivering flexible post-production workflows. A tilt-flip 3.2-inch LCD and dual SD slots round out the package, making this camera a potent hybrid for high-res stills and quality video recording alike. Switching over to Canon, we've got plenty to be excited about, starting with the Canon R6 Mark III. Building on the massive success of the R6 Mark II, this model is expected to pack a 24MP sensor capable of 6K video at 60 frames per second with no pixel binning or downsampling. Advanced log profiles, including Canon Log 2 and Log 3, will provide excellent color grading flexibility, making it a powerful tool for documentary filmmakers and wedding videographers. Rumored for a summer 2025 release, the R6 Mark III will further solidify Canon's position as a leader in hybrid mirrorless solutions. Then there's the Canon R7 Mark II, a model that could become the ultimate APS-C wildlife and sports camera. The original R7 delivered blazing speed but suffered from buffer limitations and a slower readout sensor. The Mark II aims to fix both. Leak specs hint at a stacked 32MP sensor capable of readout speeds fast enough to support 40 frames per second or more. With a larger buffer and a professional-grade body inspired by the R5, this could be Canon's most ambitious APS-C body yet. The EVF is expected to see a massive upgrade to 5.76 million dots, and dual card slots, CF Express and SD, could help handle the massive data throughput. With features like Canon Log 3 for serious video work and an enhanced autofocus system, the R7 Mark II is shaping up to be a workhorse for field shooters who demand speed and reliability. 2025 is shaping up to be a pivotal year for camera technology. Whether you're excited for the stacked sensor magic of the Canon R7 Mark II, the ultra-detailed output of the Nikon Z7 III, or the robust cinema capabilities of the Sony FX2, there's something on the horizon for every type of creator. The industry is moving toward AI-enhanced autofocus, more robust codecs, higher resolutions, and greater emphasis on hybrid shooting capabilities. These aren't just incremental upgrades, they represent a fundamental shift in how cameras are designed and used in real-world creative workflows. If you found this breakdown insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, so you don't miss our deep dives into the latest tech innovations in the world of imaging. Let me know in the comments which camera you're most excited for, whether it's for photography, cinematography, or content creation. Your insights help drive this channel forward, and I look forward to continuing this journey with you as we explore the cutting edge of camera technology together. Stay sharp, stay creative, and, as always, thank you for watching Techno Trend Zone.